Guys, so in the wake of my video where I would campaign for a public bug tracking system to Mikrotik, they did get back to me saying that it could be a good idea, but they get a lot of what you call them false positives, false negatives. I'm always confused which one it is, basically not real issues. So this got my head spinning about bug tracking systems in general. Because as a business, like for example, when I run Web Converger, I serve my customers basically with private email, but I do encourage issues to be logged in a public bug tracking system. Why? Because I want to be open. I want to be about how I deal with issues. I want to be able to track issues. I want my customers to be able to track the issues. I want workarounds to be perhaps documented and such and so forth. But I can understand for a lot of businesses this cannot be the case. They might have to hide something, or they, I don't know, for some business reason they don't want one customer to know and another one knows, or something like that. And it's a very, very tricky line to follow. So yeah, I guess I'm looking for some good examples. But overall, I think GitHub Issues is the best bug tracking thing I've used. I've used many. But there are some fundamental freaking things that are wrong with GitHub Issues. Like, for example, something that's quite important, a customer who might file a bug in good faith, which is just completely wrong with passwords and all sorts of other things. You can't delete a GitHub issue. That's pretty tragic in my opinion. But going back to like a good GitHub practice, I mean, the deletion issue aside, if every issue created is acted upon very quickly by the support team, or maybe even level 2, whatever. If issues are closed or marked as duplicate, and you're not afraid to basically to close an issue of a maybe an important customer, I really think GitHub Issues is the way to go. I mean, I think there's some open source projects that are really just going really well on GitHub Issues, like systemd, actually, I dare say. And when you file a bug on systemd, someone follows up within 6 hours. That's the kind of things that GitHub Issues sort of misses, these little things to make it a little bit more business enterprisey. But yeah, if Mikrotik basically had someone on it, I think, doing a really good job, like managing the community, managing the issues, closing down, not afraid to mark things as duplicate, just being on it, then I think it will be okay. But so many things can go wrong, can't they? So many things can go wrong. So I'm appealing to you guys. How can we help Mikrotik become more open so that it can get better, in all seriousness? And yeah. Please like the video and subscribe, and comment below.